Good evening, parents. Thank you for being here tonight, and welcome to Hardin Valley Academy, where achievement and excellence take flight. We are really glad that you're here, and we're also glad to have our new neighbors, the Hardin Valley Middle School. We've finally come together as a community. However, with that community brings some problems, and that problem is going to be traffic. Please be patient. And let me go over our traffic pattern for parents. Parents, make sure that you always enter on the east end of the campus. That you'll come down, drop your child off in the front, and then exit through that same place. Students will be entering on the west side. Also, parents, between the hours of 6 a.m. and 5 p.m., we cannot have you going behind the school. That's where our staff is going to be parking, so we're going to have a lot of traffic with that. And our buses that carry our school and the middle school will be using that to go up to the middle school. That bridge that connects our school with the middle school is only for buses and emergency vehicles. All other traffic that goes to the middle school has to enter on Steel Road. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get down to other things. We have wonderful support organizations, and I would love for you to get involved. We have a PTSA, we have our Hardin Valley Academy Foundation, and we have our Hardin Valley Academy Athletic Council. And now I would like for you to meet the presidents of each organization.
Hi, I'm Terry Hill, your school board representative for District 6, which also includes Hardin Valley Academy. On behalf of myself and our superintendent, Bob Thomas, we'd like to welcome you and your student back to Hardin Valley Schools. This year, our school system is over 60,000 students strong, with 92 schools and over 8,000 teachers and support staff. I know that we all share the common goal of wanting the best educational opportunities for your students in a safe environment. Thank you for being here and being a part of your child's education.
Hello, my name is Cheryl Ealing, and I am serving as your Hardin Valley Academy PTSA President. The PTSA is a support organization that supports and provides services to our parents, our teachers, our students, and our administration, as well as our community. We are an organization that will speak up for issues that address and impact our students, as well as our school. We want to be a part and a partner with any other organization here at Hardin Valley. We also would like for you all to join us. It's $5 for a student to be a member. It's also $8 for parents to be a member. We'd love for you to be there. We'd love for you to join us. We have a lot of activities that are planned this year, a lot of programming that we're doing. Just remember, we do give scholarships, we do provide contests, and we do support our community as well as our students throughout any activity that's happening here at Hardin Valley. We thank you for being here. We welcome you here to Hardin Valley, and we look forward to serving you this year. Thank you.
Good evening, and welcome to Open House for Hardin Valley Academy Foundation. I'm Kevin Cradio. I'm the president of the Hardin Valley Academy Foundation. We're one of 3 nonprofits that help benefit the school by enhancing the experience that your students have here. The Hardin Valley Academy Foundation focuses on 3 key areas. First of all, we focus on improving technology within the school. Second, we look at facility improvements and upgrades. And third, we focus on teacher development. So that means purchasing iPads for the journalism class, or it might mean the sidewalk out front that you all came in on that was nicely made with stone to improve the look and improve the flow of traffic. It might be sending teachers to a journalism conference or to a foreign language seminar so that they can bring that back and carry that on to your kids. I hope you guys enjoy Hardin Valley Academy as much as I do. My wife's a teacher here, my daughter is a sophomore here, and I'm the president of the board for the foundation, and I am just excited about what we're going to do going forward into the future as Hawks, as a family, and together I think we can do anything. If you want more information about Hardin Valley Academy Foundation, you can visit our Facebook page, or look us up on Twitter, or you can go to our website, hardinvalleyacademyfoundation.org. And again, welcome to Hardin Valley Academy. Go Hawks!
Hello, I am George Ash, and I am the STEM Academy Principal. I am also the Athletic Director at Hardin Valley Academy. We have a fantastic athletic program here at Hardin Valley. We have multiple programs for students to be involved in, and our students excel in every means, especially in sportsmanship. As parents, I would ask you to please be welcome and come to all of our sporting events, but also please remember always to exhibit good sportsmanship. Our young people are looking to the adults for their behaviors, and we want to set the right example. Also, we have a support organization that acts as an umbrella over all of the athletic programs. It is called the Hardin Valley Academy Athletic Council, and you will hear more from that group soon. But please consider joining and being a member and helping support all of the programs at Hardin Valley. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sean Spurgeon, and I am the president of the Hardin Valley Academy Athletic Council. On behalf of the HVA family, we welcome you. We look forward to working with you over the course of your time here. HVAC, our goal is to make sure we provide the best possible experience for all of our student athletes. So we work together with all the programs here at Hardin Valley Academy, all the sports programs, to make sure that there's continuity, to make sure that our student athletes are having a positive experience, and make sure our coaches are getting the support that they need to run a successful program. So we look forward to your energy, your ideas, anything that you have that you think may be helpful for HVAC to know. I will say that as president, I'm just one of many people who work on the executive council who work with as a PAC rep for each program. So each program is represented, and so we spend a lot of time talking about how we can connect the programs together to give a better experience for all the athletes involved. So on behalf of HVAC, again, welcome to Hardin Valley. We look forward to working with you.
Please get involved with these organizations. They're awesome. They do so much for our staff, but more importantly, they do so much for our students, and that's why we're here. Hardin Valley is an academy school, and I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to all of our academies.
Welcome, I'm Kelly Ivins. I'm the principal for the Business Law and Public Affairs Academy.
I'm Brian Brown, the Dean for the Business Law Public Affairs Academy.
And I'm Ann Troutman, Counselor for the Business Law Public Affairs Academy.
I'm David Combs. I'm the Liberal Arts Principal.
I'm Jenny Driscoll. I'm the Liberal Arts Dean.
And I'm Carmen Long. I'm the Liberal Arts Counselor.
Hello, I'm George Ash, STEM Academy Principal.
And I'm Ashley Beeler, the Counselor for the STEM Academy.
And absent today, but with us all year long, is our Dean, Rudy Furman.
I'm Sarah Price. I'm Dean of the Health Science Academy.
Hi, I'm Mike Wise. I'm the principal of the Health Science Academy, and our counselor is Dana Quick.
And now let's get down to business. First of all, yesterday your child should have brought home a folder full of information. Hopefully you've already read it all. If not, take the time to do so. We don't just do these to kill trees. This is information you need. I really want you to pay attention to a couple of things. First of all, in my letter, it talks about online school payments. It also talks about any student that was on free and reduced lunch last year must reapply, and there's ways that we can help you do that. And then finally, there is a sheet in there that has information. We need you to look carefully at that sheet and update that information. If there's an emergency here, we need to be able to contact you. So now, let's do what we're here for. You came tonight to meet your child's teacher and hear those expectations. I'll be making announcements on the intercom when to start and when to end, and we just hope that you enjoy your night. Thanks. We're looking forward to a great year.